Hello everyone, dear friends, how you all doing today? It's been a while since I made a trading video. This is my last video of the series I have started about uh, passive income, 101 ideas, passive income, right? And you can use to make money consistently. My last video about Forex was kind of emotional, right? Because this week has been tough, right? Uh, I'm glad that I feel blessed, right? I know I'm blessed, and I feel more blessed for this privilege to be able to share, right, what I know with as much people who are willing to listen, right? I feel really blessed and super thankful for the platform YouTube has given us to be able to share whether whatever we are talking about is correct or not. It kind of gives us a reflection if sometime in the future we have a reason to believe what we said in the past is wrong, we'll have a reference. So very smart time for to YouTube and YouTube algorithm. So today we'll be talking about we'll be doing a review, right? This week so far, I think I did only one review video. Can't remember. I've been super busy trying to put my strategy together, right? To solidify it more, right? And I think when I do these videos, it gives me more confidence, right? To be able to trigger, right? My struggle has been to trigger. Most times when I trigger and it goes to my stop loss, I feel hesitant, right? I feel hesitant not to come back to trade again. So I think I'm overcoming that struggle right now. Okay, so let's do a review of Euro USD and Great British Pound, and of course just look at the DSY. At least let's just do a kind of a roundup review, right? uh I published this idea I think earlier this week. Well, price was somewhere okay, price somewhere around there. So my thought process was pretty simple, right? I Although I mentioned that of course price is likely to resist, right? Minor resistance at 1.0746, right? That's this level right here. I saw a possibility of price resisting, right? Then I just felt probably when price resists, this level should be able to hold price. That's what I think in this level right here. That's what I thought rather, that this level should be able to hold price at least, then push to this target, right? That didn't happen. Price meltdown, right? Now, does it mean that price is going to continue going down? Who knows? Is there a possibility of price reaching for target 1? Still very possible. Target 2? Still very possible, right? Your ability to know how to respond to these price actions is what is really important, right? And also this right there, when I published it, I think price was going towards the end of the trend line, right? How did I know price was likely to reject there? I predicted that price should able to test this minor resistance before going down if necessary. And look at what price did, right? Price touched this. Mind you, nobody can delete what has been posted on trading view, so it is real time, right? And price rejected the break. I think we should look at it here, right? Break this trend line, retested that level. I actually mentioned that if price break past this level in the analysis, right, that if price break past this level, price might likely go touch this minor resistance. Price is close above, it went up, touched this level, came back. I was thinking price should react from this level back to this level, but price closed below the level again, came down, now tested the level, rejected on an hourly chart. So I feel really good, right? And I'm thankful for the knowledge I've learned from great mentors, right? Like Ibrahim Wakwa, ICT, and Fibo Musang. I don't really know this. I think he's an Indonesia trader or in Malaysia, so but I've been really impacted by their knowledge, and I feel really blessed sharing this knowledge. Together, I currently put in more effort to do more of these videos, of course, tutorial videos, so you can understand, right? I can do without trading indicators and just look at the chart and see pattern, right? I've been able to train I've been able to train my eyes to see, right, what price is likely to do, and that feeling is a blessed feeling, right? So talking about that, today I took two trades, one a losing trade and one I just took off before I started doing this video. Right there, where is it? Right here, I entered there, then exited right here, right? So although my initial entry supposed to be on, let's do this on trading view let's do this on trading view. I think I should just take off. Do I need to take off everything? Okay, let me take off everything, right? Okay, so right, when the GTB for the UK was released, right, price was somewhere around there. My expectation was that price to react down around this level. That was what I was expecting, right? And I think let's use the replay button. On the 5 minutes, I think I saw a pattern. Okay, I think I saw a pattern that make me want to take that sell trade. Okay, yes, right there. All right, so here's what I was thinking. Right, I think we should to go back a bit. Right, I saw this level right here. Price already took this low, went down, so I was like, okay, there should be some orders around this level that can trigger price down, right? Today's video might be a bit longer, right? So I was expecting price to react around this level. Mind you, before my sell bias, okay, I think I started a bit in the midpoint, right? I established my sell bias from the daily time frame on DSY, right? The dollar index, right? And sorry, not that's the sell bias on the paired currencies like the Euro USD, right? But on the DSY, I was expecting it's going to be bullish, right? Because of this rejection, right? I was expecting it's going to be bullish, and you see a level right here, imbalances right here, right? Price touched it and it has been bullish, right? Price has been bullish for the past 3 days, so there's a reasonable expectation that price should continue upward, although it's not guaranteed. So I had that in mind that price might likely trade up today. Then I go to the Euro JPY to determine the pair that I should trade between Euro USD. Before now, I think this week I actually learned this quickly from Unlimited Bag. I don't know his name, right? But that's his channel's name. I've kind of have the idea, but I really didn't think it was important to incorporate into my strategy. So when he mentioned it, I just kind of synced with what I already had back, right? I think I documented the idea sometime in my my notebook. I don't know if I should show you guys. No, it's my private. I noted it down, and when you mentioned it, I was like, okay, that's nice. And when I saw these 3 consecutive days going downward, and I look at this, of course, there's a rejection, right? I said, okay, if price is going to reverse, at least it should trade back to the low if necessary. Doesn't really have to, right? Okay, I said, okay, this is obviously bearish, and that means the pound, right? The pound, that is the pair currency, the pound currency is strong. And if the pound currency is strong and I'm bullish on DSY, right? Bullish on DSY, right? Then I should be selling these pairs, right? And which of them should I? Then I pick euro because I know pound is strengthening. So if I sell pounds, if I sell USD against pound, might likely not move as fast as I wanted. So euro was the best option because euro to me was a weaker pair because the pound is strengthening against the euro, right? That is, a pound is selling off strongly, right, against the euro. That is to say, the pound is more bullish than euro. So euro is likely weak. So if I want to sell euro, if I want to sell dollar, better I sell it against the pound. So that's why I deem it necessary to go for the euro USD, right? Why is my playback to stopped? Okay, so like I said, right, I was thinking, okay, price should pray out from this level, right? I was hoping the orders around this level should hold price, and I'm looking for a sell anyway, so just looking for something to trigger the sell. Right away I saw nothing, and then right somewhere around here, okay, price rejected it. I was waiting for more information, price went up. Oh no, sorry about that. Think we have to go back. I was looking at it on 5 minutes. I think that was the loss I took right there, looking at it on 5 minutes. So all right, so fine. I saw this is kind of really not clear, right? But I saw kind of a field imbalance, right? All thanks to ICT for fair value gap knowledge field, right? And although immediately rejected, right, and of course it's kind of becoming a support right here, but I still think if price gives another sell trigger, should be sold, right? And something else happened, and I took the trade, right? Think what has happened. Okay, yeah, okay, when I saw this, I saw it closed. I think something else happened. Let's just play forward. I think something else happened that made me to the trade. Okay, is this the can't recall what happened exactly. And is it possible? My apology, guys, I just want to make this clear. I'm not sure if it's possible to replay this. Come on, is it possible to replay? Of course I know it's not possible to replay. I'm just trying to be 5 minutes right there. Okay, the UK GDP report, right? Okay, yeah, so here's what I did. I'm sorry, here's what I did. I took a sell. I bet that price is not going to go beyond this, right? Because I gave myself kind of extra risk, right? Kind of extra risk is a strategy anyway. I'm taking 1% risk, right? In my mind, that's my mental stop loss. but my on trade stop loss is 2%, right? I'm not going to take the 2%. No way. Of course, if price moves faster than I can trigger a close, right? It should. The reason being that sometimes when I know price shouldn't go above this if the trade is going to be valid, right? Most times price just weak it, take my stop and use my stop as a liquidity to fire down the movement. So I kind of like learned that this week. I said, okay, let me just extend. But if price, so here's what I was thinking, right? Here, then here, right? Then I targeted somewhere around here, I guess so. No target anyway, no target. I left it open for, okay, and this happened, right? Oh, see, this happened, right? Okay, yeah, this happened. Okay, yeah. Sorry. How come I'm having very I don't know what's up. Am I looking tired or what? Okay, when this happens, like closed above it already, this is not weak, right? This is closing above it already. I took out the position immediately, right? Because that trade already lost probability and this happened, right? But I didn't switch my bias to bullishness because I still maintain my bearishness, right? Now here is the psychological part of it, right? I still maintain that price is gonna go down. So what I was looking for now is a more reason to look to buy. Now I marked other levels, right? Now if I see price doing something that is reasonable around this level, I am going to what? Sell, right? That's what I was looking at. Then I waited patiently. Then price went up and did this, right? What did price do? Price created a gap, right? Closed below the gap, didn't take the low yet. But I think in my mind I was like, okay, this is gonna be a kind of long video, please. In my mind I was like, this is a swing low, right? So price took a swing low. That's price telling me that there's a possibility I will be going down, so get ready, right? Then price did this immediately. Price did this, confirm closing below this, my friends. I took a sell pending position right here. In my mind I was like, price is going to go test it, right? Then my stop around here, my new strategy, I increase it, right? Very risky one, but I appreciate the fact that if it's gonna work out more for me, I'm gonna be testing it more next week, right? Then this happened, right? Very painful one, right? Like this happened and my trade never triggered, right? Although when I saw this, I think I immediately took position around this level, making me have a bigger stop loss and reducing my risk to reward. That's how painful that is, right? Then this happened. This happened again. I was like, okay, let me make up for the initial position that did not trigger, right? Let me take another position, right? I was looking for specificity, right? I want to be specific because of my new strategy, right? Then this happened. What happened right there? Again, I missed my entry, so I'm left with one position that wasn't initially my ideal position, right? I just didn't factor in the spread possibility, right? Because it's spread that deprived me from entering this trade, and this happened until I took out the position right here, right? Because there's no point holding further. There's a possibility price will go below, right? But there's no point holding further. So I missed a trade that would have given me a really nice weekend gift, right? That is the initial position. Where is it? The initial position right here and stop right there. What's this, friend? From where I just stopped, was it somewhere around here, right? Took my position at here. Where did I take my position at? Okay, I took my position at here, right there. So friends, I would have gotten 7R, right? Something around 7R, yeah, 76R, right? That's 7 or 6%, right? And that would have automatically paid back my losses, right? Right now, I am down 1%, right? This is what's it called? My Forex Force challenge account, 10K challenge account, please. It's not big money. It's just trying to learn strategy, my ability to trigger when I need to trigger, right? Of course, money is attached, so emotion is attached, right? Now I'm done. Right? I think today I'm up 1%, I guess. Where is the history, custom history? Then today, okay, I'm up about 1.7%, right? Because of my initial loss, right? But overall, right, I'm still down on the account, right? Don't know if you guys can see it. I'm down about 1%. So that's it, friends. So now, why am I sharing this story? Right, I'm sharing this story to re-motivate myself. That's one. Two, to be thankful for the journey so far. It's been really a long one, I must say. That's the story for another day. A long one, I mean, a long, very long journey. I've been in this journey for, I think, over 8 years or so, right? But I've been active for like 3 years now, right? And I'm very thankful that I have been able to at least understand how the price is booked, learning from ICT, Wakwa Ibrahim, Fibo Musang, and a lot of other mentors that have inspired me. Mind you, I didn't pay any money for this. I learned them through YouTube, right? And that is why I am doing this, to give back what I've learned on YouTube for the YouTube community, right? So if you like what I'm doing, smash the like button. I'm not perfect, right? I'm not here to preach perfection, right? None of that. I'm not here to prove any strategy is perfect, better than any. The forex market is open. The financial market is open, right? You can trade whatever strategy you want to trade, right? My advice is personalize your strategy. Make it yours. Spend in. It's going to take a lot of time, my friends. Let no one deceive you. It's going to take a lot of time, right? Pay the sacrifice, and gradually you bank a lot of money, right? Of course, that is the motivation. For me, it's a motivation because what I want to be doing, right? To adequately pay myself, my bills, and of course help others, because I'm passionate a lot about reaching out to people, right? It's my nature, and I feel blessed doing that, right? No regrets at all. I can give all I have just to make someone else be happy. That is not to say I am not paying myself. I don't love myself as much. I do love myself a lot, but I feel loving myself more, loving another is even a greater love for me. It's my definition. No offense, just my person. So that is that. So friends, please, I've talked a lot today. Please smash the like button for me. I appreciate the work I've done so far, right? DSY, okay, I already talked to DSY, so there's really not much to say anymore. I'm just thankful. Next week is another day, right? next week is another day, another time, right? We're going to be doing this again. It doesn't matter if the one we did last time wasn't favorable, we're going to do it. We keep doing it, right? All right, so thanks for watching. I super appreciate this time you've spent watching. Just smash the like button for me, share with friends and family. Of course, the comment section, guys. Come on, guys. If you see this video, even if you don't want to watch it, just comment, right? Comment, please comment. Help the YouTube growth team to help me grow, right? It's gonna be an accomplishment for me more that my work, right, my effort, the time I'm putting to do this video, edit video and all that, because I do basically everything. I do thumbnail. Of course, sometime in the future I'll have people do them for me for free. It's possible, right? But I've impacted a lot of people and they feel like giving me something back. They can decide to pick a thumbnail and do for me, edit video for me. So how can life be more fulfilling than, you know, others feeling blessed by your work, right? I've mentioned persons that their work has made me feel blessed, right? And I'm blessed, right? So why can't I do same to people? Of course, if somebody wants to learn from me later on in the future, one-on-one, or I require to hire, you know, rent a space to accommodate them, I might be able to, I will be charging, not time, I will be charging, right? If I have to take more time than this, of course I have to charge for my time, because it's right, you needed more attention than the public attention, which I can willingly give free, which I've received free, and I put more work. If I had the privilege of having a one-on-one mentor, right, I think I would be better, right? Never dispute that fact, right? I will be better because I will have someone looking at my back, always correcting my mistake and making me want to come back as faster than I should. Or sometimes I feel reluctant and I just say, okay, I won't trade, right? It's becoming a psychological talk, but it is what it is, friends. So hope to see you, and please support my channel. I appreciate it. Bye for now.